Hello, my name is Miss Jill and I work at the Upper Library. Welcome to Tiny Tots. And look at all this stuff that I have out. And it needs to be put in the toy box. And so let's get things picked up. And this is how our song goes. Okay, let's start with yellow things. Okay, you ready? Yellow things in the toy box, toy box, toy box. Yellow things in the toy box, put them away. And you know what? I happen to have some yellow Play-Doh. It goes in the toy box. I have a dump truck. It goes in the toy box. And also, look at this helicopter. It has some yellow on it. It can go in the toy box. Now, let's see. How about things with wheels? Wheel things in the toy box, toy box, toy box. Wheel things in the toy box, put them away. I have a race car. A race car has wheels. It goes in the toy box. Oh, and of course, I have a tractor. We know tractors have wheels. It goes in the toy box too. Now let's see. Oh, I have some noisy things. Let's put the noisy things away. Noisy things in the toy box, toy box, toy box. Noisy things in the toy box, put them away. Oh, you'll love this one. This is a horn that really could go on somebody's bike. And listen to this. It needs to go in the toy box. I also have some of these hands. And when you move it around, it makes a noise. One last thing. Here is a ball inside of a ball, and it makes a noise. It needs to go in the toy box. Uh-oh. You know what? I have something that's orange. Orange things in the toy box, toy box, toy box. Orange things in the toy box, put them away. I happen to have an orange ball. It goes in the toy box. And you know what? There's only one thing left. Oh, then things will be all nice and clean. And this is a toy that is blue. Blue things in the toy box, toy box, toy box. Blue things in the toy box, put them away. And now all my things are cleaned up. So hopefully you can put your things away with our little song. And it makes it go so much better. I have enjoyed being with you. Hopefully sometime we will be able to see each other in person. But for right now, I will see you later. Bye-bye.